Fix Verizon Fios TV audio issues, quick troubleshooting guide. Experiencing audio problems with your Verizon Fios TV can be frustrating. Whether it's a complete lack of sound or issues with audio sync, these problems can disrupt your viewing experience. Here, we will guide you on how to troubleshoot and resolve common audio issues. No sound. First, check if the mute button on your remote is activated. Also, ensure that the volume is not turned down too low. If these basic checks do not solve the issue, follow the steps below. 1. Check the audio cables. Ensure they are securely connected to both the TV and the Fios set-top box. 2. Verify the audio settings on your TV and set-top box. Ensure the correct output is selected. 3. Restart your set-top box. Unplug it, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. 4. Inspect the TV speakers. Test them with another device to confirm they are working correctly. If you still experience no sound, contact Verizon customer support for further assistance. Audio sync issues. Audio sync issues occur when the sound does not match the video. This can be annoying and can ruin your viewing experience. Here are steps to fix this. 1. Go to the audio settings on your TV. Look for settings related to audio delay or lip sync. 2. Adjust the audio delay setting until the sound matches the video. 3. Restart your set-top box and TV. This can sometimes resolve sync issues. 4. Update your TV and set-top box software. Check for any available updates and install them. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it may be a signal problem. Contact Verizon support to report the issue. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can fix common audio problems with your Verizon Fios TV. Enjoy a better viewing experience with clear and synchronized audio.